Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add pivot table in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I have written some data in the Excel sheet. So if I want to add pivot table, so I will click just insert options, and here you will see the options of pivot table. Just click on it and then click on table arrange, and here you will see first option, so just click on it and then select the range. So after that again click on it and then click on OK. So at the right side you will see name mark percentage, so just click on it and you can see the name is added. So after click on mark and percentage, you can see pivot table is added. So guys, in this way you can add pivot table in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.